Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Melissa Flores, and today I'm so excited because I'm actually working with Olay and Walgreens on this video. And if you're wondering, is it possible to look good every single day? Yes, absolutely. It is possible to look good every single day, whether you're going makeup free or you're doing your makeup, and I'm gonna show you how. First of all, the reason I'm so excited to be working with Olay and Walgreens is because for the first time ever, I have introduced retinol into my skincare routine. I have shared many skincare routines throughout the years here on my channel, and if you guys have noticed, I've never used a retinol, and that is because, like so many other women, I've been really scared to try retinol, or I've heard stories that it can be incredibly irritating on the skin, and I was just always very wary, and I didn't want to start including retinol into my skincare routine. However, Olay now has the Retinol24 collection, which has made me so comfortable with trying retinol, and I'm extra excited to share that with you guys because of the price range. Retinol is typically pretty expensive, and one of the things I love about Olay is that they have amazing products that actually work and actually have amazing ingredients, and their retinol is so affordable, you guys, and pretty life-changing for your skin. These are actually the 3 products from the Retinol24 collection that I have in my hands right now. You're going to have the Retinol24 Night Serum. You're also going to have the Retinol24 Night Moisturizer. And of course, you will have the Retinol24 Eyes. No matter what your skincare is looking like at the moment, you can definitely include one of these 3 products into your routine, whether you want to switch out your moisturizer, include a serum, or switch out your eye cream. I have to say one of my favorites is the serum because I feel like I'm able to apply my serum first before any other skincare, and then I can go in with a sunscreen if I'm just running out the door. So this little guy is definitely my favorite way to include retinol into my skincare. When I tell you that the Retinol24 line is life-changing, it is because I truly mean it. You will notice a difference in your skin within 24 hours. And I know that sounds kind of crazy and kind of dramatic, but trust me, your skin, you're going, after 24 hours of having used the Retinol24 product, you are going to look so good. You're gonna notice a difference in your skincare, and you're not gonna be able to pinpoint it, and it is because of the retinol. The difference that I noticed compared to other retinols that can be like just super intense and irritating on your skin is that the Retinol24 is made with vitamin B3 plus retinol complex. It's not irritating on my skin. I can use it every single day without any problems. And they've also created the collection so that you get 24 hours of hydration. That is key to making your skin look really plump and glowy, is that hydration. So I personally don't like to wear makeup every single day, but sometimes I feel like my skin just needs a boost. And for the last few weeks since I've been incorporating the Retinol24 products, I've noticed such a big difference in my skin. My skin is brighter and it just looks so glowy and good that sometimes I don't want to put a stitch of makeup because my skin just looks that good. But most importantly, one of the main reasons I wanted to start incorporating retinol into my skincare is because I have suffered from dark spots for many years. I've tried other products, they haven't cleared up, and finally, because of retinol, my dark spots have gone down so much. So I'm really excited to continue using this and just see how much more my dark spots diminish over time, because that has been a constant battle for me. If you have spent time in the sun, or if you just have dark spots or sunspots for whatever reason, you are going to finally see them diminish by including this in your skincare. And that is why I'm just so excited to be sharing these products with you, because I wanted to share something that was affordable and that really worked. All right, let's jump right into the makeup. I want to show you guys what I've been doing for my everyday makeup routine. I feel like it's pretty simple. I think you guys have probably noticed that I've been doing like really simple natural looks because I don't feel like I need all that much makeup now that my skin has been looking so great. I've already prepped my skin. I have my skincare on, I have primer on, so I'm gonna jump right into foundation. By the way, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I will link everything in the bottom bar for you guys to check out. So while I'm applying it, I also wanted to tell you guys something really major. So one of the reasons I like shopping at Walgreens is because they just really simplify my life. They have all of the new beauty products available. They also have really great deals. It is just really convenient for me to shop either at the Walgreens store or Walgreens.com. Honestly, I just love browsing the aisles and discovering new beauty products. That is my favorite thing to do, is go check out what new products are available or what products I've never heard of. So I just really love the convenience of being able to walk into a Walgreens and check out all of the new products that are available. Something that I actually wanted to share with you guys is that they are having a major deal for you right now. They are having a buy one get one half off select Olay products, including the Retinol24 products, for you for the month of October. Not only are the products already affordable, but you're also going to be able to get them buy one get one half off. Make sure you take advantage of that deal. It's for the month of October. You can go to your local Walgreens store or you can go to Walgreens.com. All right, for concealer, I'm also using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I'm just using a little bit wherever I want to brighten up, and this product goes a long way, so I don't feel like I need all that much of it. So I like to first go in with my bronzer with like a smaller dome-shaped brush like this one, because I feel like it gives you kind of like a contoured effect without actually having to go in and use cream contouring. I feel like it's so much easier to do when you're just using an actual bronzer. Then I like to take a fluffier brush, and I actually use this bronzer by Milani. And what I like about it is that it gives you kind of like a glow. So I kind of like to take a fluffier brush for this so that it can give me an all over bronzy glow. Brows. I'm gonna fill in my brows really quick. I've been using this brow pencil from the brand called Arches and Halo. And it is such a creamy product to use. I feel like it just glides right on. I do my brows like in 2 seconds. Now for my eye makeup, I usually use like one color and that's it. You can grab your favorite like brown eyeshadow, or you can even apply bronzer to your eyelids. It really doesn't matter. I do both. For today, I'm just gonna be grabbing this like really light shade. This is the Naked Reloaded palette, and the shade that I'm using is called Bucked, and it's just like a really light shade. It looks like my bronzer, to be quite honest. So that's why I say you can grab a bronzer, you can grab a brown shadow, whatever you want. And I literally just pick that color up and work it right in my crease, and that is all. And then I like to take that same color and I'll just brush it right on my lower lash line. I am gonna apply some mascara, but first I like to do my setting spray. Then to finish up the look, we are just going to add tons of mascara. My trick with mascara is that I like to apply 2 to 3 coats. That way my lashes look pretty full and I don't have to apply any falsies. So the last thing we are going to do is apply some lip product, because I feel like your look is not complete without some lip product. I'm gonna be using just like a light nude lip liner and then a little lip gloss. And this is it, you guys. This is my everyday makeup routine. I try to keep it really simple and easy. I pretty much do these steps every time I do my makeup when it's like an everyday kind of look. This is my go-to look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the look. I hope that you guys are excited and adding Retinol24 to your skincare routine. Once again, check the description box. I will have everything listed there, all of the products that I use and the Olay Retinol24 deal. Do not forget that for the month of October, you are going to be able to buy the products buy one, get one half off. That is huge, so take advantage of that. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.